How to scan documents with Google Drive app. Here's how. To begin with, open the Google Drive app on your device. Next, tap on the plus icon located at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Scan. Now you can either take a photo of a document directly by tapping the shutter button, or if you already have a photo saved, click on the gallery icon to upload the document from your device. Once the image is captured or selected, hit Done to proceed. After that, you can edit the photo. When you are satisfied, hit Done at the top right corner. Then give your file a meaningful name and select your preferred file format. Also choose the location. And if you are using multiple Google accounts, be sure to pick the correct one. Finally, hit Save at the top right corner. And your document will be scanned and uploaded to Google Drive. And that's it. I hope this video helped.